How's it going, everyone out there? I was watching this video on Obama. It's apparently he says "Yes, we can," for some speech that he gives, and apparently if you reverse it, it says "Thank you, Satan." So I figured, I have the technology to do it, and I figured I may as well do it and post it for you guys to see. I did see another video on there of some guy that had it on there, but you can't physically see the audio. So I'm gonna go ahead and record it, and I'll play it once, the first time just like this, so you can hear it, and then the second time I'll go ahead and I'll reverse it, and I'll actually point the camera towards the screen so you can actually see what's going on. I'm recording it through a microphone right now, so that way I can go ahead and take the audio from this and post it to the video, so you guys can get a better quality audio, that way you guys can hear it clear, a little bit more clear. So anyways, that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and say yes, we can. And I also found out that if you say "Thank you, Satan," when you reverse it, it says something pretty cool too. So, anyways, it says "Yes, we can." But anyways, here it goes. It goes like this: Yes, we can. 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 Thank you, Satan. Thank you, Satan. Thank you, Satan. Thank you, Satan. So what I did right there is actually what you're going to hear first is me saying thank you, Satan, because I'm reversing it. So at the beginning I said yes, we can, and then I said it, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and I said thank you, Satan 4 times. So what you're going to hear at first is me saying thank you, Satan, reversed 4 times, and then you'll hear me saying yes, we can, so a total of 5 times. So let me go ahead and reverse this here. And I'm going to go ahead and get it and play it back to you guys. So this is what it sounds like. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Nah, you say. 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 So if you listen to it, at the beginning, when I reversed it, I said thank you, Satan. It kind of sounded like yes, we can. I mean, it doesn't sound exactly, but anyway, so that's what it is. I'll go ahead and I'll turn the screen around, turn the camera around, so you guys can actually see the screen and see what's going on. So here it goes. Okay, so here's the actual audio on the recording screen. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and play it, and this is actually what it sounds like normal. Yes, we can. 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 Thank you, Satan. Thank you, Satan. Thank you, Satan. Thank you, Satan. Okay, so that's what it sounded like normal. Now I'm going to go ahead and reverse the audio. Go ahead and reverse it. And this is what the audio sounds like reversed. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Nah, you say. 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 All right, so there you guys go. I went ahead and played it forward for you guys. I played it backwards, and so now you guys, can have your own opinions on and see firsthand actually, what's going on and how it sounds reversed and whatnot. But take your opinions from there, and it's a little video for you guys to see what my take was on it, and actually my ability to go ahead and do it. So that was it. I hope you guys have a good day. All right, bye.